Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Velvette from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and out. Then leave a gap and let's draw a longer one on the left side. Now a curve underneath to close off each eye. Now inside each eye, let's add a curve on the left. And then a small black curve from the top for the pupils. Next, from the top corners of each eye, let's draw another curve going up. And then curve it back down for the eyelashes. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's move on top of each eye and let's draw the eyebrows. On top in the center, let's draw a small curve up. Then from the bottom, let's curve it up on top of each eye. Now from the ends, let's bring it up and back down towards the center. And then color them both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a wavy line over to the left. And then a curve across the top. Now underneath on the left, let's draw another wavy line down and out. And then curve it up at the bottom. Now top back up and let's continue this line by curving it down and flick it out. And then curve it back in. Now underneath the left eye here, let's add one more curly piece of hair. Let's curve it up and then back around. Next, let's hop back over to the right side and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start with a curve down. Then let's angle it back down towards the center. And then curve it up, stopping here, leaving room for the earring. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a line down. Then on both sides, let's curve it up, down, and then bring it back in underneath. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's add the earrings. In the gap we left earlier, let's draw a curve up and around, leaving it open at the bottom. Then close off the bottom with a rectangle shape like this. Then add two eyes inside. Now let's move over to the right and let's draw the other earring. For this one, let's draw a curve out, and then another curve leaving a gap. And again, a rectangle shape underneath. And lastly, let's add the two eyes inside. Now that we're done the earrings, let's add another piece of hair on the right. Let's start with a wavy line down and then curl it up. and then curl it back in underneath. Now before we finish drawing the hair, let's move down and let's start drawing the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a small angle down, and then a longer one down on the left. Now for the collar of the jacket, let's draw a curve down on the left, and the same thing on the right, a little bit lower. Now top back in, and let's draw a curve down on the right. And then lines out on both sides of the neck for the shoulders. Now let's move to the bottom and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the shirt. Next, let's move inside and draw some details. Let's draw a curve across the neck. And then 2 heart shapes. And that's it for her chest. Now let's move out and let's draw the collar. Next to the left earring, let's draw a curve out and back in. And the same on the right side. Now let's draw another curve out underneath. And then for the left, so let's curve it back in. And then for the right side, let's curve it down. And a small angle to close off the bottom. And now inside this right section, let's draw 2 hearts. And that's it for the collar. Now let's move down and let's draw the arms. Let's start by drawing a curve down on an angle. Then from the right end, let's draw a small curve down, and then another angle for the bottom side of the arm. Now on top, let's draw the hand. Let's draw a small curve up, and then a curved V shape for the first finger. Then on top, let's draw a small curve up, and then curve it down. Now one more finger by curving it up, and then a curved V shape going outwards. Now to finish the hand, let's bring it up and then back down. And color this section in black. Now let's finish drawing the arms. Underneath the collar on the left side, let's bring it down, behind the fingers, and then curve it down for the elbow. Now for the right arm, let's draw a line down, and then curve it back over. And then a small angle for the other side of the arm. Lastly, inside the arms, let's draw some curves for a stripe pattern. And then let's color the stripes in black. Now that we're done the body, let's move back up and let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a rounded rectangle shape. Then on top, let's draw a large curve up and then wave it out. And then a small curve back in. Now underneath, let's draw another small curved piece. and then a long, wavy curve down and out. And then another wavy line next to it on the left. Now from the bottom of this line, let's draw a curve over and out. And then from the right side, a curve down and curl it back in. And then curve it back around to close off the piece of hair. Lastly, for this piece of hair, let's draw another curve inside near the top. Now top over and let's draw the left side. Let's start on top of the head in the center and let's draw another large curve up and wave it out. And then curve it back in underneath. Now underneath, let's draw another small piece. And then a wavy line down like this. Now top in and let's draw another curve. And then from the outside line, let's bring it down and curve it back up and in. And then another curve around and back up to close off this piece of hair. And lastly, a curve inside near the top. And that's it for Velvette. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!